Make a great choice today with the 2010 Highlander. The Highlander is the SUV that's thought of everything. The Highlander offers seating for up to 7 and features Toyota's innovative center stow design. The second row bench seat folds away, leaving a pair of captain's chairs. A 2010 top safety pick, the Highlander is where substance meets style. This vehicle has less than 125,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, traction control, stability control, airbags, driver, knee, cruise control, child safety locks, power windows, tachometer, airbags, passenger, occupant sensing deactivation, child seat anchors. Come see the car for yourself.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.